Ke bafana bakithi ngintshele nantu udaba lalungakhona. Before ngiyakuphi sacela nje u-embrace le ndoda le ekuthiwa uMalema. Mina ngisasho namanje ngithi uMalema is the most, ongayibeka kanjani ngithi nje iyona indoda engathi i-clever la eSouth Africa. Besides wonke umuntu nje ngathi ukuba-check-a. Okay, why ngisho kanjalo? Ithini ngibekele le EFF plan ukuthi why uMalema elwela abantu bangaphandle ukuthi bangahambi. Nina you think ukuthi he's doing that because of akawathanda ama-South Africans? No, ayikho kanjalo ke. I don't know if uMalema uzoba happy ngale nto le ngizoyisho manje, but this is the whole plan ikaMalema. uMalema mayethi ama-foreign nationals, they must be documented. Uye wahlala phansi le ndoda le wayicabangisisa kahle lento. Once foreign nationals baba namaphepha wala, then it gives them the ability yokuvota. There is only one party umuntu wangaphandle or engathi nje angayivotela. It's EFF obviously. Awenza imath kule number le ama-South Africans aba-under i-EFF abavotela i-EFF plus i-population yama-foreign nationals mase kuthiwa-ke wonke ke anamaphepha. Mase kuthiwa nje wonke la eSouth Africa anamaphepha abavumelayo ukuthi abavote, bazovotela i-EFF, and leyo nto leyo leads to EFF ukuthi iphathe nje la eSouth Africa without even having to struggle. And i-ANC angeke ibone lutho nje, angeke nje izidobhe next i-ANC. Thina laba ama-EFF sizoyivotela, ama-foreign nationals azoyivotela, bese-ke kuba ilento leyo ukuthi i-take over. Okay, number 2, ama-foreign nationals mase wathole amaphepha like then it means ama-companies kuyomele acala ukubahlonipha, kuyomele ama-companies akhiphe ama-payslip, kuyomele ama-companies ababhadale imali evumelekile to pay someone okuwukuthi uyasebenza. So leyo nto leyo izo-eliminate yonke lento leyo ukuthi ama-companies a-choose ama-foreign nationals to ama-South Africans. So mayiloku ihamba lento le ngokuhamba kwesikhathi, and then uMalema uzo-introducer lento le eyama-scar skills. Angithi uzobe sekaphethe lapho, angeke nisamenza lutho phela masekaphethe, sekhale sakhe nje. Uzo-introducer this thing yokuthi uma kuwukuthi usuka ngaphandle uzosebenza la eMzansi, kumele ube ne-scar skill. I-scar skill ngike ngayisho-ke kuma-previous video ukuthi it's something that a South African cannot do. Angeke usuke ngaphandle ubuye uzosebenza ePick n Pay ethilini kodwa i-foreign national. Kulawo Malema ayakhona lapho ukuthi nina nisheshe namjaja nabona engathi mhlambe uvotela labantu bangaphandle kunama-South Africans. Ayikho kanjalo. And then ibuye bemnandi kuphi, wonke umuntu oyenzelwa iphepha akayenzelwa i-ID. uyenzelwa nje iphepha lokuthi sazi ukuthi kunobani la eMzansi. Leyo nto leyo includes i-home affairs nama-fingerprints ukuthi whichever crime engakhomithwa umuntu wangaphandle sikwazi ukumtrace back. Ngiyayibona-ke leyo nto. And then sibuye-ke size kule ndaba yamaSomali. This is just a hearsay, nami angikhosho ngayo. But ngizwe kuthiwa ama-Somalians kunama-document emele bawasayine awokuthi they have no right yoku-owner anything. The only thing they can do ukurenta. And every after 6 months they have to pay imali engango 7,000. Every after 6 months they have to pay 7,000 to i-landlord eyokurenewa ukurenta kwabo while they are still renting. Futhi nje angakubhadala my friend 5K every month ye-rent, okay sharp. But mezithi after 6 months leyo 5K loyo uza nomunye 7,000 ngaphezulu okurenewa ukurenta kwakhe la eMzansi, because manje kuyobe sekugijima wethu phela ama-rules. And siseselapho kulelo phepha lelo izokupha wena esumuntu wala eMzansi i-ability yo-vacator loyo muntu with an immediate effect should ningazwani nga-something or should angafuni ukukhipha leyo mali. And kuleyo paperwork iyakunceda wena njengomuntu wala eMzansi ukuthi ungagcini sothathelwa indlu or uthathelwa ispace abantu bangaphandle, yabo. Remember ukuthi lo muntu lo usayine ukuthi yena uzorenta nje kuphela, nothing more. So bazo-abide to our rules going forward. Niyayibona-ke. And then one thing emele niyi-check, yikho ngithi mina uMalema is the most clever person la e-Africa. So far so good mina, the way ngibona ngakhona, he is the most clever person around the world, because ingqondo kaMalema ngathi ngayibeka kanjani, like he's thinking out of the box loya muntu. He's thinking out of the box, yabo. Ingqondo yakhe isebenza nje overtime, sebenza i-overtime ingqondo yaloya muntu. Akavele nje avumbuka akhulume something, even though singamjaja sithini, but yena I still say namhlanje uMalema can qualify to be a president the whole Africa, because une bigger picture loya muntu loya, akacabangeli nje khona la eduze, une bigger picture, yabo. Because one thing that I heard uye wayikhuluma kudala ukuthi if i-Africa unite sizokwazi ukuthi sibe powerful ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi sizokwazi uku-owner ama-minerals like ama-mines and everything ekuyukuthi asiyi-own nje manje njengoba kuphethe i-ANC. Like i-wealth yethu idlala abantu, i-wealth yethu idlala abantu bangaphandle like boma-Europe, UK, kuphi kuphi, ibona abaphethe ama-mine wethu, thina sikhona la. Nayezwa-ke le nto le, that's why ngithi uMalema qualifies as a president ye-Africa yonke. Asithi-ke ama-foreign nationals bayahamba ngeyi-30 zakaJune. It still favors uMalema because yena uyenzile i-point yakhe clear. Asithi bayahamba bese bayabuya-ke ngama-paper right. Which party are they gonna vote for? Because they know ukuthi uMalema uye wabalwela before behamba, yabo. Even though angeke kuze kube sempoli for abantu bangaphandle ukuthi babuye mase bake baphuma, because now kuzomele kulandelelwe yonke into necessary ebayenza ukuthi babe qualified ukuthi babe khona la eMzansi. And then coming to issue yama-Nigeria, ama-Nigeria abasafuneki eSouth Africa at all because ayikho into abayilethayo la, babhadale kwa-tax, baletha ama-criminal activities, ama-drugs. Umuntu nje oyi-Nigerian, those ones kumele ba-vacate i-country and kuzomele kube ne-system eyokuthi once kwatholakala ukuthi iNigeria likhona la eMzansi, lelo Nigeria lelo kumele lilandwe likhishwe with an immediate effect because they are killing the country. All they know is drugs. All they know is ukutshentsha amantombazana awala eMzansi to ama-prostitute ngoba babathembisa imali and bayabanika imali. And then one thing engifuna ukuyisho kumantombazana wethu la eMzansi, guys, we are not stupid thina abantu bala. If nathi besifuna ukunika imali like more than enough, besizowathengisa ama-drugs. Akusihluli futhi lokho, ukuthi nje thina siyazihlonipha and sihlonipha nabantwana bethu. Bakhona yes laba abathengisa ama-drugs, bathatha amashansi, angeke bafike nje kule stage sama-Nigerians, yabo. Hayi ukuthi si-lazy or something, no, siyakwazi ukucabangela omunye umuntu. Uma ngathiwa manje we decide ukuthi sonke nje thina ama-South Africans sihambe sothengisa ama-drugs, sizon-afforda ningamantombazana, ningamantombazana wethu la eMzansi, but we will never do that. Siyacabangela ikusasa labantwana bethu as ama-South Africans. So ngisafuna nje ukuvusa laba balele, ngisafuna ukuvusa nje lamantombazana lawa ayitshena ukuthi wona a South African man cannot afford me. Uma singabathengisa ama-drugs sizoku-afforda kahle futhi, but we will never do that. Angeke size siyenze nje leyo nto. So going back to le ndaba le eyama-fingerprints, ama-paperwork for ama-illegal immigrants, leyo nto leyo izosiza abaningi la eMzansi because uma sekuthiwa umuntu wangaphandle akeze ne-scar skill, leyo nto leyo angeke isamvumela loyo muntu loyo ukuthi asebenze la eMzansi. Ukuthi thina sicabangela la eduza, sicabange like for future, yabo, of which indaba kaPhakela noNgizwe mina ngiyayisupport 100%. Vele abahamba abantu bangaphandle bakwazi ukubuya kahle. For an example, la eCape Town, njengoba ngise-Cape Town kuyimanje, ema-filling stations, engine garage, shell garage, yonke igarage nje ongayicabanga nje, abo-total garage, kusebenza ama-foreign nationals. Should lawo ma-foreign nationals ahambe, I mean, ungayenza i-maths nawo, ubani emele asebenze lapha? Hayi ukuthi azovalwa phela, ngeke avalwe. Kuzothathwa labantu laba abala eKhayelitsha, ePhilippi, eDelft, eGugulethu, eMichel's Plain, eWestlake, ama-South Africans akhona abangasebenzi, ukuthi bafilaphe lawo ma-position lawo, kube yibo abantu abasebenza at least bathole income, ne-crime izothi kuyehla kancane. Ngiyenza i-example ngama-filling stations because that is an obvious case, wonke umuntu uyakhona ukubona. And then kunama-Pick n Pay, kunama-Shoprite, bakhona abantu abangaphandle abasebenzayo lapha. Should they go? Obviously i-Pick n Pay ayikwazi ukuthi ivalwe ngoba abantu bangaphandle nakho abasekho. Kuyomele kuthathwe abantu bala bacala ukusebenza, as simple as that. Yazi ezinye izinto nje azifuni siloko sijika